U.S. immigration debate. But the big question is, will Congress actually act this time? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. Today we're talking about a major immigration proposal in the United States that is gaining attention across the country, the Dignity Act. A coalition of migrant advocacy groups has officially launched a nationwide campaign to promote this bipartisan immigration initiative, hoping to push Congress toward long-awaited reform. Recently, several national organizations formally announced their support for the legislation during a conference organized by the American Business Immigration Coalition Action, alongside the National Hispanic Christian Leadership Conference and American Families United Action. During the event, they also revealed the launch of a nationwide advocacy effort called the Dignity Tour. The goal of this tour is simple: build public and political momentum to encourage Congress to pass the bill. According to organizers, more than 75 organizations will participate in events across the country. The tour will begin in Pennsylvania and continue through several key states, including Arizona, Nevada, and Texas, where supporters hope to engage communities and lawmakers directly. At the center of the proposal is a plan to provide temporary legal status for undocumented immigrants who have lived in the United States for many years. Under the proposed framework, eligible individuals could receive work permits and protection from deportation, but only after meeting certain conditions. These requirements include background checks, paying fees, and meeting other eligibility standards. The legislation also opens the door to potential long-term immigration solutions. For example, certain groups, including DACA recipients who meet specific qualifications, could eventually qualify for pathways toward permanent residency. Bipartisan support. During the conference, lawmakers from both political parties described the proposal as a realistic attempt to address an immigration system many believe is outdated. Republican Congresswoman Maria Elvira Salazar, who introduced the bill, said the initiative reflects the true meaning of bipartisanship, pointing to the cooperation between lawmakers across party lines. Democratic Congresswoman Veronica Escobar emphasized that the proposal is not only about immigration, but also about the broader economy and national security. She highlighted the country's declining birth rate and aging population, warning that the United States increasingly needs workers to sustain economic growth. Congresswoman Susie Lee also noted that the immigration system has remained largely unchanged for nearly 4 decades, adding that the proposal aims to provide legal opportunities to immigrants who have contributed to the economy and have no criminal history. Meanwhile, Republican Congresswoman Monica de la Cruz described the bill as a practical solution that could help address ongoing labor shortages in several industries. Organizations support it. Advocacy organizations behind the initiative argue that the proposal could produce significant economic benefits. Michael D. Heger, campaign director for ABC Action, described the legislation as a balanced and pragmatic plan that could strengthen the workforce, stabilize immigrant communities, and support American families. Supporters also claim the plan could generate $70 billion in investments benefiting U.S. workers. Leaders from other groups echoed that message. Ashley DeAzevedo of American Families United Action highlighted the unusual nature of the coalition, which includes organizations that often hold different political perspectives, but have united behind this proposal. Representatives from sectors such as construction and higher education also stressed the importance of reform. Industry leader Sergio A. Barajas explained that immigration stability could help maintain and expand the workforce, while Diego Sanchez from the President's Alliance on Higher Education and Immigration pointed to the significant contributions of Dreamers to innovation and the economy. Despite growing support, the proposal is still part of a broader and complex national debate. Some groups have raised concerns about how the legislation could affect local immigration enforcement and relationships between communities and government institutions. As discussions continue, the nationwide Dignity Act tour aims to keep the conversation moving and bring immigration reform back to the center of the national agenda. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.